Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn something very interesting. Okay, because we are going to start playing with our both hands. One hand in right hand, our melody, in left hand we are going to play our chord. So today we are going to play the rhyme Are You Sleeping? I think you must all have heard it. I mean, if not, you can learn here. So C position again. Okay, and yes, please watch the previous video before you come to this, then you will be able to understand what's exactly going on here. Okay, now so we will start with our right hand. First I'm going to show you how it's going to play. We will start and just check the notes here. C, D, C. So 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Make sure you are using the correct fingering. Please, I'm telling you in my each and every video, please use the correct fingerings. Now, this fourth finger is going to come here. Okay. So, first we have done Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Now this finger is going to come here on G. Morning bells are ringing. This thumb is here, but we are just moving it from here to here. So just keep your position like this. So D position for now, you can say, and this fourth finger should be on G. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, the fingers and the notes G, A, G, F, E, C, G, A, G, F, E, C. Then here the left hand will come, the little finger here and thumb is on the G. So ding, dong, ding, C, G, C. So once you are able to do with your right hand like this, then use your left hand. We have already learned the C chord. So for starting, we are just using only one chord, just a C chord, and try to start this hand and this hand together. First see how it's going to sound. So you are going to play this now, C chord and right hand melody. So this C and this C chord start together. Correct? So right hand continues and left hand hold like this. You have to press the keys. Keep pressing the keys. Okay? Don't leave it. So were you sleeping? Then again C chord. Sometimes, you know that what the students do, play this and this. I don't want this. I want together. So first try this both hands together. Okay, first left, then right, no, together. Then your third finger is on E, it should be on E only. Then again the C chord on E note. Are you sleeping? Chord again. On the every line in starting we are playing the C chord. E pe. Now move your finger here and G. We are going to play again C chord. Two times. So look, G and C chord together. Now this is little tricky part to understand this. So ding dong ding, ding dong ding. So when we are playing the note ding on C here, we are playing the chord ding, and our left hand is already on G. So dong, with this only thumb will press, this hand is remain same, just this note is going to play. Okay, G, ding dong ding, ding, again ding dong ding. So that's all for today, and please share your feedback and let me know if you like this session or not. If yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.